Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to communicate with stranger. So let's begin. Hello, what's your name? I'm Selena. And yours? My name is Stella. How are you? I am good. By the way, where are you from? I'm from USA. And you? I'm from England. Where are you going now? I am going for my interview in Florida. Wow, me too. Oh, that's great. Are you nervous for it? Yes, a little bit. And you? I'm also. Okay, whatever is to be happen will be done. Yeah, it's true. So be positive. You're right. I agree. Would you like to eat something? Yes, I will because I'm starving. What would you like to eat? Pizza. And you? Let me see. I would like to eat a burger. Don't you like pizza? I like pizza, but I like burger more. But I'm the opposite. Everyone has their own choice. Can we share? Of course, why not? Both are delicious. Yes, you're right. Anyway, what are your qualifications? I have completed my degree 2 years ago. What did you do for 2 years? I did an advanced computer course and I used to teach in a college. What's about you? I have just completed my higher studies. What are your hobbies? Dancing and singing. Mine too. That's cool. Then we will be good friends. Okay, it's nice to talk to you. Me too. Bye. Bye bye. I hope you guys will have enjoyed the video. So please like and share this video and subscribe my channel. Bye guys.